guys, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Karcher K2. Okay, so let's go through what we've got in the box. So firstly, you've got your instruction manual, which obviously is going to teach you how to operate the washer correctly, blah blah blah. You've got the little adapter there, which is going to slip on the back of the pressure washer, and that's going to allow you to connect your hose. You've got your lancer there, which is obviously trigger operated and allows you to control the rate of flow. You've got your connector or your tubing, which goes from the lancer to the actual washer. You've got your handle as well, which is going to obviously make it easier to carry about, and I don't know what this part is called, but I know that it's going to allow you to direct the flow a bit better. Let me just double check. It's called the dirt blaster, so it does sound kind of like gangster, but yeah, that's the dirt blaster. And of course, last but not least, you've got the pressure washer itself, which comes with some cord, obviously not that long, but long enough for you to connect it to extension lead, depending on how you want to use it. So there are different variants, as you can see. You've got the K2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, with K2 being like the entry level. But for me, if I'm looking at the performance stats here, it's going to be more than what I need it for, which is literally just washing my car, as obviously I've got a new car, check out the last video, and just keeping it clean really. But yeah, that is it guys. Thanks for watching, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.